Thousands of steps together as husband and wife, but today we take our first, and this is the soul that will support that step and carry us into our life together. And I promise you that whenever the days go long and your souls get worn, I will always be there to carry you on.
Aww.
Would you tell me how could it be any better than that?
But there was never a time when I thought it would not be worth it. I love you. And I'm happy to say that from this day forward, you will never walk alone again. As today I give you my hand to hold, my life to share, and my heart to take forever. Love you.